If you want to learn a little bit about the Chita single grain whiskey, keep watching. Hi guys, so today I'm going to review a Japanese whiskey called the Chita. It is from Suntory. It is 43% ABV. It is considered a single grain whiskey that's made from predominantly corn with a little bit of malted barley. Made at the Chita distillery, obviously in Japan. Chita was only released a few years ago here in Australia, and for many years it was only available in the Nagoya prefecture or in Suntory's whiskey shops in Osaka and Tokyo. It's also a key blending ingredient in the award-winning Hibiki whiskies. Being that it's corn-based, a lot like bourbon, you're going to get that sort of sweeter style of whiskey, which I really enjoy. It's also made using a rare continuous distillation method, which uses 2, 3, or 4 columns. The Chita distillery creates a clean, medium, and heavy spirit. It's then aged in a variety of bourbon, sherry, and wine casks and blended together. Time to give it a try. Japanese whiskey is so hard to get in Australia at the moment. Well, good Japanese whiskey is hard to get in Australia in the moment, and it was great when Chita came to Australia, but I'm struggling to even get this nowadays, so we have to wait for our allocations. But let me tell you something, this is definitely worth the wait. So the appearance is kind of like a warm gold. It's not overly dark, which is great, so I don't think that they'll use an added colouring to this. On the nose, I'm getting light toffee, kind of like a lemon meringue, and something that I pick up on as well that others don't at the bars that I work at is like a buttery salted popcorn of all things. You could even say one of those sort of caramel salted popcorns. Gonna give it a taste. Yum. Very, very easy to drink. I'm getting sort of like a buttery shortbread, a little bit of orange blossom even, a sort of honeyed vanilla sponge cake, and definitely getting an oak finish at the back there. The finish is kind of medium length as well. Orangey, zesty, a little bit of light spice, but it's really, really smooth and nice to drink. I would definitely recommend it and say go out and try some. For those of my viewers all over the world, I'm not sure how hard it is to get in your countries, but what I normally suggest is get into some of those really good whiskey bars, give it a taste, and if you're lucky, buy yourself a bottle, because it's definitely also an affordable Japanese whiskey. This is my bottle here at home, so I can pretty much pick any of the whiskies that I have in my bars to bring home, and this is one of the ones that I enjoy having on my back bar. How do I drink this? I like to drink it neat. You could have it over a nice solid block of ice as well. I don't use it much in cocktails, the Chita, obviously because it's a little bit harder to get, but I'm sure it would be very versatile to use in cocktails as well. But how I like it is just exactly like this at room temperature. So guys, please like, subscribe. If there's a whiskey that you would like me to review, comment below, or even better, if you've tasted this, I'd love to see what you think, and hopefully you pick up on some of those flavors that I do, especially that salted popcorn. I've had no one that's agreed with me yet, and I've used this in a few masterclasses over the last couple of years. But thanks again, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.